The state-owned construction company PTPP records the acquisition of new contracts until November 2022 of 27.49 trillion rupiah. The acquisition of new contracts grew 66% year-on-year.
The state-owned construction company Pembangunan Perumahan or PTPP has recorded the acquisitions of new contracts until the end of November 2022 of 27.49 trillion rupiah. The acquisitions of this new contract grew 66.6% compared to the same period in the previous year. With the achievement of these new contracts, the company is optimistic that it can achieve the target of obtaining new contracts that have been set, which is 31 trillion rupiah. Meanwhile, the acquisitions of new contracts was dominated by the building sector of 2.5 trillion rupiah, the infrastructure sector of 873 billion rupiah, and the contributions of the subsidiaries of 2 trillion rupiah, most of which came from the mining hauling road service sector. As of November 2022, new contracts from state-owned enterprises dominate the acquisitions of new contracts with contributions of 52%, followed by the government with 36%, and the private sector with 12%. The compositions of the acquisitions of the projects consist of the parent by 75% and the subsidiary by 25%. IDX Channel reports.
Baramulti Sukses Sarana plans to distribute an interim dividend of $97 million or around 1.5 trillion rupiah. The payment of interim dividend will be carried out on December 30, 2022.
Baramulti Sukses Sarana plans to distribute an interim dividend for the 2022 financial year of $97 million or around 1.5 trillion rupiah. Meanwhile, the count dividend implementation schedule or the end of the stock trading period with dividends rights on the regular markets on December 22, 2022 and on the cash market on December 26, 2022. Furthermore, ex-dividend or the beginning of the stock trading period without dividend rights on the regular market and negotiations on December 23, 2022 and on the cash market on December 27, 2022. Then the date of the list of shareholders entitled to dividends or the recording date falls on December 26, 2022 and the payment of interim dividend will be carried out on December 30, 2022. As of the third quarter of 2022, the company managed to record a net profit increase of up to 91.2% year-on-year to $197 million. The increase in net profit was driven by a 66.9% increase in sales, sourced from an increase in sales to third parties of $643 million and sales to related parties of $80.38 million. IDX Channel reports.
And the news close our market headlines today. Please enjoy our next program on IDX Channel, your trustworthy and comprehensive investment reference. I'm Fajar Wayung. Have a nice evening.